I've held on to dreams for far too long. Should have let them be a while ago. My heart wasn't listening when my realities told me so. No time, no place for dreaming all this work to be done. You're a father, a brother, a fighter, a lover, an employee, a son. So I have a different relationship with the word we call blue. While Maya's caged bird had to sing, what Langston clearly knew. Still, when stillness comes my way, every now and then I dream. Imagine how that blue would look if I could only use my wings.